If you're looking for a luxury hotel right in the heart of Gangnam, the grand InterContinental Seoul Parnas is hard to beat. Connected directly to COEX Mall, the InterContinental is surrounded by some of Seoul's best shopping, dining and attractions. It's a hotel that makes exploring the city incredibly easy while offering a comfortable place to unwind. Stepping inside, the lobby feels spacious and inviting, with friendly staff ready to welcome guests. Check-in is located straight ahead, and despite the size of the hotel, everything feels calm and organised. Off to one side is their floor, where beautiful floral displays add a fresh pop of colour to the lobby. And as you continue through the ground floor, you'll notice the lobby's warm amber tones, where softly lit sculptures and polished finishes create a quiet, calming space. Looking up, you'll notice the beautiful installation hanging above the lobby lounge, where it catches the light and creates an elegant backdrop for enjoying a coffee during the day or unwinding with a drink in the evening. With check-in complete, it's time to head upstairs and see our room. Now it's time for one of our favourite parts of any hotel stay, the room tour. For this stay, we're checking into room 1726. Stepping inside, the junior suite feels bright and spacious, while the two double beds make it a comfortable option for families or friends travelling together. Two large floor-to-ceiling windows fill the room with natural light and offer views across Gangnam. The open layout gives the room plenty of space to spread out, while the neutral colour palette and warm timber finishes create a calm and inviting ambience. The generous workspace makes it easy to catch up on a bit of work if needed, and with lots of natural light streaming in, it's a comfortable spot to sit down and get a few things done. And as an added bonus, there's also an air purifier running quietly in the corner. The bathroom is finished almost entirely in marble, with double mirrors, double vanities and plenty of room for two to get ready without feeling crowded. The marble finishes continue into the separate shower and deep bathtub, carrying the design throughout the space. The toilet is also located in its own separate space, adding a little extra privacy and allowing the bathroom to be shared more comfortably. The minibar comes with a selection of drinks and snacks available to purchase, and there's also an espresso machine if you're after a coffee first thing in the morning. Storage is equally generous, with a large wardrobe that includes bathrobes, slippers and an in-room safe, so there's plenty of space to unpack if you're staying for a few nights. One of the best parts of the room has to be the view out across Gangnam, with busy streets and the constant energy of one of Seoul's most vibrant neighbourhoods right outside your window. Watching the city change throughout the day is surprisingly relaxing, and as the sun rises, it's a great reminder of just how central this location really is. Of course, the biggest advantage of staying here is the location, with the hotel directly connected to COEX Mall, where you'll find hundreds of restaurants, cafes, department stores, and plenty of spaces to simply wander and explore. Starfield Library is located here too, so you can easily stop by without having to plan a separate trip. As the sun begins to set, many people stop to capture the colourful sky as it reflects off the surrounding skyscrapers just outside the hotel. The Grand InterContinental combines luxury with one of the most convenient locations in Seoul. Comfortable rooms and direct access to COEX make it an excellent base for exploring Gangnam and beyond. If you're planning a trip to Seoul and want to stay somewhere that puts everything within easy reach, this hotel is definitely worth considering. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is After Arrival, and we'll see you in the next one.